Swamiji, can you share with us what have you learned from 53 days in prison?
Oh God. I was just constantly in samadhi. And sometime when I'm having little time, I'll read. I was reading Hatha Yoga Sutras, many of these spiritual literature. I think I completed 70 volumes in that 53 days. And whenever I find time, I just sit. I'll consciously scan all these Hatha Yoga techniques and different techniques for enlightenment. And work it on my body, use it on my own mind, my own body, my own being, and see its side effects and after effects. It's almost like I was running a conscious research and development, conscious scanning of all these techniques and doing R&D. And as I already announced, almost 200 techniques I downloaded, consciously scanned, screened, and they are ready now for delivery, sharing with the world. Not only the techniques, 53 days constantly being in samadhi and not even healing anybody, and just that energy oozing in the body. It's almost like a mango tree gives a lot of fruits, and all the fruits are ripened and it falls. There is nobody to pluck. It falls, and all those seeds sprout from the ground again, and they become tree, and they all give more fruits. All those fruits fall, and they all start sprouting. What will happen? In a small area of half an acre, you will have 5,000 mango trees. Same thing has happened in my system. Constantly system is in samadhi. So the nervous system has become more stronger to hold samadhi. Because this nervous system is more stronger to hold samadhi, the body is again in samadhi for longer hours. Because its body is in samadhi for longer hours, nervous system has become more strong. I can say at least 12 times more the system has become capable of holding and radiating the energy. So as I said, these 200 techniques and 12 times more powerful system to hold and radiate energy is opening up and sharing itself in the living enlightenment process. I am just waiting for that program. Not only the devotees from around the world, even I am just waiting. I wanted to do immediately after Guru Purnima, but devotees from around the world continuously they started sending mails. We received at least 200 mails saying, Swamiji, please give us time to book tickets and come, to book vacation and come, give us time. Then I postponed it. All right, next Purnima. So August 24th we will start the living enlightenment process. I think that process and people's experience from that process only can be the solid proof for whatever I am talking. The power of these 200 techniques, the new techniques, and the ability of this system to hold and radiate the energy 12 times more. Both will be proved only in living enlightenment process. So, all I can say I learned from the prison is these 200 techniques, and the system has become more stronger, 12 times more stronger to hold and radiate energy. I only want to tell one thing to the humanity. Even if you put me in prison, I'll download the techniques for your liberation and liberate you. So the only thing I want to tell the humanity is, even if you put me in prison, I will liberate you. And maybe what people have, they try to give me. What I have, I'll try to share with them. That's all. Thank you.